imaginary part is given like this, that means it is given v is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x square y square plus y raised to 4 plus x square minus y square plus 2xy. This is v. Okay, now vx vy, so vx means derivative of this with respect to x, so that is 4x cube minus 6 2s are 12 xy square, this is 0 plus 2x, then this is 0 plus 2xy, 2xy means plus 2y, then vy is equal to, this is 0, this one will be 6x square and derivative of y square is 2y, so it is minus 12 x square y plus 4y cube, then this is minus 2y plus 2x. Okay, so vx vy you got. Therefore we need analytic function, so let f of z is equal to u plus iv be the required analytic function. This is the required analytic function. Therefore what you will write, therefore f dash z is equal to ux plus ivx. Okay, so now here only v is given, so this is equal to, now since it is an analytic function, it satisfies CR equations, so we can write ux is equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx by CR equations. By CR equations, ux equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. Okay, so what we can do here, this is equal to, here we don't have u, so what we will do is, instead of ux we will write vy plus I vx. Be very careful here, here it is not vx and here vy, it is vy plus I vx. So here vy means this value, vy is minus 12x square y plus 4y cube minus 2y plus 2x. This is vy plus I into vx. Vx is this 4x cube minus 12x square xy square plus 2x plus 2y. This is vx. Okay, therefore now put by Milne-Thomson method. By Milne-Thomson method, put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0 in f dash of z. Therefore f dash of z is equal to, here x equal to z and y equal to 0 in this one. So here x z, y 0, this term 0, this will be 0, this is 0 and this will be 2z. Okay, this is 0, here y 0, here also y 0 and only this will be remaining, plus I into, here also 4z cube, then this is 0 because y is here, this is 0 and this also will be 0, plus 2z. Okay, then this is f dash z. Therefore integrating both sides will give integral of f dash z dz is equal to integral of 2z dz plus I into integral of 4z cube plus 2z dz. Okay, so this is integral of f dash z is f of z is equal to, here it will be 2 into integral of z is z square by 2 plus I into, here integrating 4 into z cube integral is z raised to 4 by 4 plus 2 into, here z square by 2 plus constant c. So that is equal to 2 to cancel, it is z square, then plus I into 4 cancel, z raised to 4 plus z square plus c. So this will be our f of z, the required analytic function. Okay, hope you understood that. किसी ने कुछ आया समझ में? एक्चुअली आप लोगों को एक क्विज लेना था।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आई मीन कॉलेज से मीटिंग भी चालू है, सो आई वांटेड टू गिव यू ए क्विज आल्सो, बट मैंने आपका लेक्चर लेने के लिए उधर से जंप किए हैं। Okay, so this kind of questions you have, and again we will have another kind of question which is very important. ये क्या है? This very simply you can do it. Okay, ux vy vx vy find करना है, but this kind of question which I am going to do now, that kind of questions you can expect in your exam. That repeated questions आते हैं। एक मिनट में question. डिटरमाइन द कॉन्स्टेंट्स, ये करना है आपको, बार बार प्रैक्टिस भी करना है ये। डिटरमाइन द कॉन्स्टेंट्स ए बी सी डी, कॉन्स्टेंट्स ए बी सी डी। इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ मिस्टेक मुझे फील हो रहा है, पता नहीं किधर है। एफ ऑफ जेड इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2ax y प्लस by स्क्वायर प्लस I इंटू सी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2dxy प्लस y स्क्वायर is analytic. Okay, so this kind of questions you can expect. Determine the constants a b c d if this is analytic. Okay, so a function analytic है, then what will be this a b c d? So for this also again you have a u and we have a b. Therefore